tricks.
What the fuck is going on, you bastards? Glitch Tricks back again for probably my favorite trick here, which is doing counter melodies, which is just chopping audio, but instead of using the same MIDI pattern, we're using a harmonized counter melody. So as always, we have the same. Should I switch up this beat? We are basically just gonna write some kind of MIDI pattern. As I said before, like I'm doing this in Cubase, but these glitch tricks translate to any DAW of your choice. It's really just an idea. So now what we're going to do is bounce it down to audio. Now let's grab this guy and paste it into a channel. You can also do just to make it a little bit flyer. This isn't a glitch trick, but if you just drag it a little bit, make it a bit late, we'll get a bit more swag. What we're going to do is we're going to make a counter melody and then glitch it within this one. So we're going to use a different sound. So for this, I'm going to try and get like another kind of plucky kind of sound. Maybe we'll just keep it on the chiptune tip. Yeah, that'll do. But we don't want to have the same melody. We want to do something which harmonizes or something which is a variation but still kind of fits. So let's start fresh. I'm going to extend the duration of the loop so we can get more variation. Another little trick, which isn't really a glitch trick, but instead of doing arps in the synth, you can just draw in your own arps like this. And I actually prefer doing that than doing it in the synthesizer because you get more control. I almost like that. I kind of don't like something here. What's going on? So yeah, we can do the ARP trick again here. And then you can just duplicate that to the end of the bar. So yeah, that sounds cool as it is, but this is a glitch trick, so we're going to glitch the fuck out of it right now. So what I'm going to do is bounce down that MIDI clip into audio. Alright, then we're going to grab this guy and we're going to put it just into a muted clip, which is underneath the main melody. Remember to change it quantize. And then yeah, so this is the counter melody pretty much, and we're just going to chop this up and place it within this original sound source. Now remember, you want to get the volume right, because once you put it in, if you fuck that up and it's all glitched with audio, it's going to be a pain in the ass to go back and change. So yeah, we can just chop it in. Another thing which is a bit gnarly is that you will get a lot of clicks. So you have to be a little bit careful here. And you know, it gets a bit gnarly because underneath that there's a clip, right? So You have to clean it up sometimes. Sometimes I actually like the click sound and it adds something to it. I know it's not for everyone, but I kind of like that bit of grit. So sometimes I'll leave it. You want both melodies to shine through, but only one sound is happening ever at one time. Yeah, let's do another counter melody. Okay, so we've got a third melody going on. So what we want to do again is bounce that to audio. Grab this clip and once again put it in this muted audio clip. And it's the same again. We're going to try and make it so that all three melodies shine through somehow. Yeah, so it's a cool way of making some really interesting melodies that you would not have done before. Yeah, let's duplicate this and then do some previous glitch tricks. And duplicate this again, then I'm gonna bounce it. And let's pitch shift it up, but keep the time correction. And then we'll chop it in. There you go, 3 melodies. And I mean, you could just keep going, adding more melodies, right? Cool, there you go, counter melodies. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to leave my Patreon link in the comments below. Thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Yeah, fuck yeah.